YouTube TV does offer real customer support. And the good news is, you can contact them for free through multiple official channels. The platform doesn't use traditional call centers like cable companies, but its support system is fast, reliable, and available 24/7. Here's exactly how to reach them. Start by opening the YouTube TV app or going to tv.youtube.com on a browser. Tap your profile icon, then select Help. From here, scroll down and choose Get Support. You'll see several options: live chat, email support, and guided troubleshooting. Live chat is the quickest way to reach an actual person. Most users connect to an agent in under a minute. If you prefer email, choose Contact us by email and describe your issue. A support specialist will respond to your Gmail inbox with solutions or follow-up questions. Email is great for detailed problems, billing questions, or home area issues. You can also request a free callback. YouTube TV's support team will call you directly. No waiting on hold, no phone menus. This is the closest thing to a traditional customer service phone line. If you're stuck, the Help Center offers step-by-step guides for billing, streaming issues, account problems, and device setup. Live chat, email, and free callbacks make YouTube TV's customer support easy to reach and completely free.